Hospitals buy 10 to 20% more portable equipment than they actually need to operate successfully. Fact: an effective and reliable asset tracking system can reduce or solve this problem entirely. Fact: due to high costs, these systems are not widely used. Fact: but this is about to change. Introducing Blyott, the new standard in tracking and monitoring. Blyott uses the latest Bluetooth technology, small, inexpensive Bluetooth tags which have a long battery life. They're simply fixed to the asset you want to track. Then, via the easy-to-use web interface of Blyott, you can monitor exactly where each piece of your equipment is in real time. The results? Less time searching for equipment, big savings, and happier staff. Plus, our serverless platform runs on the Amazon cloud, meaning you have best-in-class performance and scalability with minimum IT overhead and integration. But the tracking of assets is only the first step. The Blyott Bluetooth tags have a built-in temperature meter, movement detector, and press button. We offer tags which are resistant to high temperatures for tracking equipment that needs to be sterilized. Using advanced machine learning, we can also measure how often an asset is being used and predict when routine maintenance is needed. So, want to monitor the temperature of the refrigerators? Check. Want to monitor patient flows? Check. Blyott comes with APIs that make it easy to integrate with any apps or services you're already using. We are seeing more and more health sensor devices with support for Bluetooth, patches to check blood pressure, body temperature, heartbeat, etc. All of this information can be made visible by Blyott and sent to the electronic patient file. Through end-to-end encryption, your data is safe and you are fully privacy and GDPR compliant. Want to know more?